Mathiko-ini ma Sergeant Kipyegon Kenei uria urari murangiri wa wabici ya Ruto nikuo Ruto aremirwo gukiririria kiria arauga ni kinyararo.
Kwa sababu hii njama inaundwa ya kisiasa for political reasons. The DCI is being used to undermine my office, to bring me down.
Ruto akiuga kuri andu mari na njama ya kumugera ngero ona gutuika arauga ndaretigira.
And many of them are not even ashamed to say William Ruto will not be there in 2022, and yet they are walking around.
Tunakuuliza Mheshimiwa Rais, hata kama maagano ambayo wewe mwenyewe ulisema utaenda miaka 10 na William Ruto aenda miaka 10 hautaki kufuatilia ni sawa, lakini tunakuomba kwa kitu moja, usalama wa William Ruto tafadhali ilinde.
Ino ni miario iria icungiriire Ruto kumurikwo na utheri wa mwanya ni aria mang'ethanagira na kioneki giake na maramuoria atige wira ni kunyararithia president uria niwe uhete honge icio wira.
That is what the deputy president has become. He's a guy who is working in an organization and always complaining about it. In fact, in my opinion, he doesn't need to be impeached. He actually needs to leave if he's not happy, rather than get pushed out. Because you cannot fight to stay in a place that you are always complaining.
Ruto ndakoretwo akioneka icera-ini na President Uhuru Kenyatta matuko-ini ma ica ikuhi ta muthia wa kiumia githiru kuria Ruto atabanirie mucemanio kaunti-ini ya Murang'a riri Uhuru ari Nyeri na Laikipia. Senator wa Siaya James Orengo arauga ni egutabania ndereti ya kuhagura Ruto ni tondu wa giturwa kiu kuoneka ta kirigiceirio ni ungumania na uguo gikaimithio gitio.
Because he can only exhibit that degree of ignorance if he thought he's above the law. And he is not above the law. And the DCI's office cannot be mobilized because it has got a constitutional responsibility.
He has a right to leave. He can do that. I think he's become a complainer. I think he's whining. I think he's trying to play victim.
Kuhagura munini wa president kurabatara gicunji kia 75 kia abunge kana maseneta na gutabarirwo ni watho namba 150 wa gatiba kuria angihagurwo kumana na gukorwo ari na wathe wa meciria kwagarara gatiba wikinaĩ wa kimabũrũri kana kĩbũrũri hamwe na kwaga mutugo. Ataramu a kĩwatho makiuga gũtirĩ na mahĩtia ma kĩwatho Ruto angĩcukĩrwo kwa ihinda rĩrĩ, ĩndĩ wabici yake nĩ ya kiuteti na ũguo ũteti no ũhũthĩrwo kũmũhagũra na nĩ igũrũ rĩake athure gũtiga wĩra kana gweterera one kana ihahũra rĩa atongoria cio nĩ rĩkũhinga. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.